Remember this story? Armed with semi-automatic weapons and bulletproof vests, a SWAT team raided Gibson Guitar factories last summer. The government accused the company of using illegal wood imports. Now, months later, no charges filed. There are new questions about this case. John Roberts has it live from Atlanta. John?
Hey, good afternoon to you, John. Those questions are, how long is this case going to drag on before the Department of Justice decides whether to file criminal charges? You'll remember, and you pointed out one of them, Gibson was raided twice by federal agents over suspected violations of the Lacey Act, which covers trade in plants and animals. There was the raid last August in which Indian rosewood and ebony was seized. And then there was a raid back in 2009 where wood from Madagascar was seized. No charges filed in that case either. I spoke with Gibson CEO Henry Jeskowitz. He complains that the federal government has his company in legal limbo over a law that is unclear and confusing.
We're a domestic manufacturer. There are many manufacturers in China who don't have the same issues to deal with. And so we're at a competitive disadvantage. Long term, our business will suffer and possibly quite severely.
Because it hasn't been able to import any wood from India since that last raid, Gibson ran out in December, has been forced to go with alternatives, some of which are not popular with its customers. The Department of Justice has also blocked a civil court case in which Gibson had filed to get its wood back. We ran all of this past Michael Mukasey. He is the Attorney General under the last years of the Bush administration. He told us that the case to him is absurd.
It's not fair, and it's not smart either. As I said, the first rule when you go out to enforce a law is engage your brain. And obviously somebody failed to do that. And then somebody else decided that they would support whoever failed to do that.
We reached out to both the Department of Justice and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, which was the agency that conducted both of those raids. All they would tell us, John, was the investigation is ongoing. Other than that, no comment. John?
Yeah, unbelievable, and no official resolution in that case yet. John, thanks very much. John Roberts in Atlanta.